getting ready to go camping this weekend, well, backpacking, and I want to enhance my trail mix protein pack by adding some jalapeno pepper sticks in there and some wasabi peas, not too many, and then some of these other wasabi edamame. So first thing, I need to chop up these pepperoni sticks. I just want them bite size. I'm backpacking through. Just reach back in there and grab what I want out of that trail mix bag. I'm probably gonna re-put it back in the same bag too. Why not? Cut. Start mixing this stuff in. So. Wasabi peas. Wasabi peas, they're kind of high in carbs and they do have pretty decent protein, but not as much as the edamame. I roasted edamame, but I just find the wasabi peas taste better, so we'll have that. There, because I'm going to be taking my hand in there anyways. And dump it all back in the bowl. Making a mess. Clean up my mess. I'm ready to go. One nice full pack of trail mix for the road. Thanks.